I was the captain of a towing vessel. I was on the lower Mississippi River at the time, a little ways above Baton Rouge. Basically, something got locked in that propeller to where it couldn't move, wouldn't turn, wouldn't give you propulsion or steering on that side, and stopped the boat. But the diver showed up. I said, I don't know what you think, but the current's moving pretty good. Is it safe to proceed? He said, oh yeah, I've been in much worse stuff than that. There's nothing to it. And I'm up there keeping my lookout, and I see the tree come out. I thought it was the clump of roots. Turns out that was the diver. He was wrapped around the tree going down the river. And his safety line, and it was just as it ripping through his hands. So I ran down there and got a hold of it and started pulling back, and we started pulling him to the boat. We finally got our hands on him and cut the tree loose, and then it was just getting him back. During that time, pulling the large tree with the 200-plus pound man, something popped in my back. But during that time, I felt that pop in my back. It was strange. I knew something was different about it. I called the office, told them, I said, look, something's off, doesn't feel right. They said, oh, we got nobody that can come out and relieve you. Just ride it one more day, and then once you get off, we'll see how you feel. They sent me to a work care small clinic. They didn't take any x-rays, didn't ask me what my pain level was. They just told me, oh, it's just a sprain, here's some aspirin, go back to work. So stayed on that extra day, went home, and then all of a sudden, I couldn't get out of bed, just instantly. That's when everything started there. I had been with the same company 20 years. Their whole thing is we're family, so I tried dealing with everything myself, but I couldn't get anything done. Just kind of got brushed off. Oh, well, I'll talk to so-and-so. Oh, I couldn't get a hold of him, and I'm sitting at home not doing anything, can't do anything. And so I called Zehl Associates, and that's when things actually started moving. They started working for me, and got to see my different doctors and ended up getting the surgery that was required. It was a 4-tier fusion along with a lumbar decompression. They had me under for like 11 hours. Justin Warner, he contacted me, stayed in contact with me throughout the procedure. Anytime I had any questions, I'd call Zehl Associates. They'd put me through to him, and extremely professional, extremely patient with explaining how things were, and definitely don't hesitate to call. Zehl Associates treated me like family before they even knew we had a case. After doing my research and seeing how Justin handled this case, I don't think any other firm besides Zehl Associates could have gotten me more for this settlement. I mean that from the bottom of my heart.